Are you like me where you love to travel, but you hate to pay high prices for flights? Doesn't it tick you off when you check the prices one day on a flight and then they go up the next? I'm the CyberGuy. You can follow me at cyberguy.com and get all my tech updates and then sign up for my free newsletter. Google Flights recently unveiled a new feature that uses trend data to track the best time to buy a flight. This new feature adds on to the incredible features that are already at Google Flights. Have you tried this one? For example, seeing if the flight price is currently low or high for the average, and also turning on a price tracker to receive notifications when the price goes down. And how about a price guarantee where Google will refund you if the price drops on a flight after you made the purchase? Really? Here is how you do it. Go to your preferred browser, type in flights.google.com, select your destination, then depart and return date, then click search. On an iPhone, it'll tell you the cheapest time to book above the best departing flights section. On a computer, it'll be between the best departing flights and the other departing flights sections highlighted in light blue. This travel hack is one of my favorites and makes traveling so much more affordable. For all the latest tech tips, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.